Last year, the average American household spent $1,500 replacing things that should not have broken, not upgrading, replacing. Washing machines that died in their third year, blenders that burned out making a smoothie, generators that would not start when the power went out. The corporations are engineering expiration dates into your appliances, your tools, and your equipment. They are betting that you will never do the math. Today, we are doing the math. 5 brands, 5 products that were engineered with one assumption, that you would still own them in 20 years. This is the Buy It for Life list. Number 1. The laundry tank, Queen TC5. The average washing machine lifespan has collapsed from 14 years in 2004 to about 8 years today. The machines are getting worse on purpose. Speed Queen has been building washing machines in Ripon, Wisconsin since 1908. They do not build consumer appliances. They build commercial laundromat machines. The TC5 you buy for your house is the same machine that survives 10,000 cycles of abuse from hundreds of strangers every week without the coin slot, no touchscreen, no Wi-Fi, no lid lock, a mechanical timer dial, a steel transmission with steel gears. It washes clothes with violence. While your neighbor replaces his Samsung for the 3rd time in 10 years, the Speed Queen will still be running. 20 to 25 years of service is normal. A family replacing a $600 washer every 7 years spends $2,400 over 28 years. One Speed Queen TC5 at $1,000 covers the same period. 0 replacements. Do not buy the Speed Queen front loader. It competes with Samsung on features and shares similar electronic complexity. The TC5 top loader only. Mechanical dial, steel tub. That is the laundromat engine. Number 2. The small engine King, the Honda GX series. If you break apart on a Honda GX engine from 1985, you can still walk into a dealer and order the exact replacement. If you break apart on a discount store generator from last year, you throw the whole machine away. The part does not exist. Honda has been manufacturing the GX series since 1983. These are the engines inside commercial generators, industrial pressure washers, and the mowers that landscape companies run 10 hours a day. Cast iron cylinder sleeves, forged steel crankshafts. They start on the first pull, whether it is 90 degrees or 20 degrees below zero. A Honda GX has an estimated service life of 2,000 to 5,000 hours. A cheap clone gets 500 hours before it misfires. When the power goes out at 2 a.m. in January, do you want to bet your family's safety on the clone? The loophole is this. Big box stores sell Honda-powered products with GC engines, the consumer-grade line with more plastic and shorter life. The move is to choose the GX series specifically. Check the engine plate. If it does not say GX, you are not getting the industrial motor. Number 3. The unbreakable box, Pelican Cases. This next one protects everything else on this list. In 1976, Dave Parker started making unbreakable cases in his garage in Torrance, California. Nearly 50 years later, Pelican Cases are what the United States military, NASA, and law enforcement trust to protect equipment in the most extreme environments on Earth. A photograph circulates in military forums of a Pelican case pulled from a vehicle that hid an improvised explosive device. The outside was scorched and cracked from the blast. The communications equipment inside powered on without a scratch. That is not a product test. That is a field result. Pelican cases are watertight, dust-proof, and built to survive conditions that destroy everything else. You can drop one off a truck at highway speed, pull it out of a ditch, and the contents inside will be untouched. But the guarantee is what earns Pelican its spot. Their promise is, you break it, we replace it, forever. No receipt, no time limit. If the case cracks or stops sealing, Pelican replaces it. That policy covers cases that are decades old. A $15 plastic bin cracks in the garage within a year. A $150 Pelican survives a decade of military deployment. One was designed to be replaced. The other was designed to make replacement unnecessary. Pelican licenses its name to a budget line called Pelican Vault, with thinner walls, simpler latches, and weaker seals. Not the same product. The Forever Buy is the Pelican Protector series or the Pelican Air series. If it says Vault, it is the compromise. Number 4. The Splitting Machine, Fiskars X27. This next one is not about the axe. It is about what the axe proves. Fiskars was founded in Finland in 1649, 376 years ago, before electricity, before the steam engine, before the United States existed. While brands around them got acquired, merged, and dissolved, Fiskars kept making blades. Every splitting tool on the market has the same weakness, the handle. Wood cracks after a season or two. Cheap fiberglass shatters at the neck on a cold morning. That failure point is so normalized that people think breaking handles is just part of splitting wood. Fiskars looked at that and said, no. The X27 uses a proprietary fiber comp handle, a fiberglass reinforced composite lighter than wood and stronger than steel in flex tests. It is inseparably bonded to the forged carbon steel blade as a single fused unit. No joint, no weak point. Fiskars engineered. The failure point every other manufacturer accepted as inevitable out of existence. The blade uses a convex wedge profile that forces wood fibers apart on contact instead of cutting in and getting stuck. Independent tests show 30 to 50% fewer swings compared to traditional mauls. A wooden maul costs $30 to $50 and the handle cracks within 3 seasons. The Fiskars X27, at $65 to $75, has a handle warranted to never break. Here's what the X27 proves. A company that thinks in generations does not engineer failure points into their products. They engineer them out. That is the difference between a company that wants to sell you one axe and a company that wants to sell you a new handle every spring. The X7 and X15 are camping hatchets, not splitting tools. The Forever Buy is the X27 at 36 inches or the X25 at 28 inches. Those replace a hydraulic splitter for most homeowners. Number 5. The Kitchen Motor, Vitamix Pro 750. Vitamix, Olmsted Township, Ohio. Since 1921. Family owned for 4 generations. Never acquired. Never sold. The Pro 750 descends from their commercial restaurant line, machines that run 12-hour shifts, blending hundreds of orders daily. The drive socket is metal on metal, hardened steel driving hardened steel. On a Ninja or a Bullet, that connection is plastic, the first thing that strips under load. The 2.2 peak horsepower motor generates so much force, it creates friction heat. You can make hot soup from raw ingredients in 7 minutes, without a heating element. The motor is the heater. Vitamix backs the Pro 750 with a full 10-year warranty. But the real play is repairability. Every single component is available for individual purchase. When a Ninja blade bearing wears out in year 2, you throw the entire unit away because the part does not exist. When a Vitamix component wears, you order the $15 part, swap it in 60 seconds, and the machine runs for another decade. In the time you own one Vitamix, the average household buys 4 to 5 budget blenders. That is $200 to $400 in the landfill. A family-owned company in Ohio has been building the same machine for 100 years, and it still outperforms everything on the shelf. That tells you everything about what the rest of the industry chose to stop doing. Skip the Ascent series, app connectivity, and NFC containers add failure points. The Forever Buy is the Pro 750, or the cheat code, certified reconditioned from the Vitamix website. Same machine, same warranty, $150 to $200 less. Here is the rule. The most expensive product you can buy is the one you have to buy twice. Every brand on this list was engineered with the assumption that you would still own it in 20 years. The products in the landfills were engineered with the assumption that you would not. A Speed Queen runs on a dial while your neighbor's washer needs a firmware update. A Honda GX starts in January, while the clone just clicks. A Pelican survives combat, while a plastic bin cracks. A Fiskars handle outlasts every wooden maul in the store. A Vitamix outlasts 5 ninjas. The most expensive product you can buy is the one you have to buy twice. Subscribe so you do not miss it.